How to hide names on Instagram notifications. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me, Pipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide your names on Instagram notifications. Well, basically the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. Simply open up your application Instagram, and then you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you want to tap on settings option. Under settings, you'll find the second option that says notifications. Simply tap on it. Now here you'll be able to pause all the notification. You can turn on quiet mode if you want. You can turn off the notification per post, stories and comments, for followers and followings, for messages, calls, live and reels, and basically for every option that is out there on Instagram, you can turn it off significantly from here. However, if you want to turn off the notification for whole application, at the top you can see go to device settings. Simply tap on it, and here you can simply turn off the notifications on Instagram and you'll be able to disable it. Now there is no any particular option to hide names on the notifications of Instagram, so there is no any such option. You'll have to turn off the notifications wholly. So these are the two ways you can turn off your notification. You can either turn off your whole application notification, or you can simply open up Instagram and you can turn off the particular notifications. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.